Hello, today we're going to unbox a
Primal.
hive that was given to us by Primal Hives. Given to Tracy to try out. So the first box is the supers. As you can see in the background, we are primarily Langstroth style hives, but we're going to try this out and see how it works. Not sure what that is.
I think it goes under to catch the mites and whatnot.
So the hive is made out of this stuff.
Styrofoam rated R50 on the sides and R100 on top.
So it looks like in the kit we got a bunch of these. I'm assuming this is the, okay, these are all the side panels and the end panels are down below.
We got 3 mediums.
Should be 3 mediums in here. It looks like even little pieces to space them correctly. I'm going to set some of this stuff off to the side so we can get down in there. I'm going to set all these over here for now. We'll assemble them and show what it looks like afterwards.
So the entrance reducers styrofoam too?
Yes.
But we have harder ones.
They gave us replacements that are out of plastic. So here's the ends. I'll have to read the instructions and see how this goes together.
Did it come with instructions?
I have not seen them yet. So when we visited them down at Nobby, they showed us this, which it's a plug where you can have a box on top. You can take the box out and put a feeder on there.
You want to take them out or just?
Yeah, see what all's in here. So, well, that's enough. It's got, looks like these for every box. It does not look like it comes with any frames. So we'll have to use some of our other frames or order some.
Oh, they said it did though.
For the brood chamber, it does come with frames. I'm going to set this to the side. And here are the frames for the brood chamber, or the foundation. Hopefully the frames are in there. I'll set these over on that box if you want to work on unboxing. Well, there's post-it notes from another project. You want me to get the end?
No, I can't speak right, but I can cut it right.
So it looks like they packaged it up pretty well. Looks like there's a strap.
And instructions.
I can see the strap, but I can't see how to release it.
Maybe it's just to lift it up out of the box.
Oh, yeah, you can lift the whole thing up out of the box. So it looks like for the most part, I'm going to move this out of the camera.
What is it?
Styrofoam packaging to prevent from damage. So let me undo your strap, which we can use later to hold down to the hive stand. Oh, this is what I was talking about, which I guess is an extra plug to go in here. So you get, this is your basically your inner cover. You can put one of your supers on top of here and sit a jar to feed them. And then
Heavier duty than I thought. I've seen videos of people unboxing them and it didn't look.
And all this, the box itself is recommended to be painted with a water-based paint to protect it.
Give me one of the.
You want one of the foundations?
Yep.
Which, before we install or put bees into this, we will wax coat all the foundations.
And it goes behind, there's ears.
Yeah, between each pin, it looks like there's an ear to sit in place.
Thank you, Dan Henry.
So, looks like it snaps together pretty easily. That one's not in the right place. And there is your frame and foundation.
Sorry.
The brood chamber is 8 frames. It's equal to 3 deeps.
Yeah. Each.
And it has a divider board, so if in the winter it gets to be a smaller cluster, bees are on, say, 3 frames, you can move the unused frames off to the side, and they only have to heat the space of the 3 frames. And at that point you wouldn't have your inner cover on it, or you would have your inner cover on it. And then it's all insulated, smaller area to heat, to keep warm. And the divider board is also styrofoam, so it will keep it cooler. I'm going to look at this.
I'm going to stick this in.
So this can come out and you can use it as a foundation also, or install a foundation and use it also. Which makes your 8th frame. But to start, we'll probably just leave it as a divider board. So you want to assemble some of the supers and see what it looks like, since this is your video for your channel? Or do you have anything else to say?
Even if I wanted to say something.
So we'll pause you all for now and assemble the supers, and we'll get back to you.